8, which is the meat lab. But then right now I'm going to make the recipe that is from like lab 6. So as you probably remember that in lab 6 we make the tortillas and it's right on the table. So after we made it, we decided to freeze them in the freezer because the Texas beef, we're gonna cook the beef in the meat lab, so that make more sense to show you guys how the browning process taking place in the meat. So now we will just process to the beef part. I will move this beef to the stove and other stuff. Okay, so we just warm up the pan a little bit, and then I will just put a little bit oil in the pan, even though that is not set on the recipe, just to prevent the beef, like the ground beef, stuck on the pan. And then again, we are making the half recipe, so I will just only use half of the beef from the box. So now you see the beef color is turning, and then I chop them kind of like into a smaller pieces just in the pan. So I will give it a little few more minutes, like stirring or second, and then the color changes really fast. Put the chopped onions, green pepper, and the garlic into the beef. And here, because we don't have the white onions, so we just use the red onion instead. Stir them a little bit until like the onion gets like a little bit softer than it right now. So I think it's ready. So then we will just put the tomato sauce, which is 25 ml. Oh, sorry, not 25, 75. The salsa I'm gonna put is 25 ml. Oops, I'm actually make a mistake. So before I did the tomato sauce, I should add the coriander and the chili powder before. So there is some coriander, and again I will have some chili powder. Like depend on how spicy you want your Texas beef wrap won't be. So you can add more chili powder than the recipe. So now I think I will just like kind of stir them together to mix the flavors of those ingredients. Yeah, I think they are pretty well mixed together. So I will just add the remaining like salsa. I said like 25 ml. So I'll just grab my measuring tool. 25 ml. And also I'm gonna put the cilantro in. I turn down the heat a little bit because it's too hot in here. So we will keep stirring it maybe around like another 2 or 3 minutes. Then it is ready to serve with the wraps. So now the beef is ready. As you see, the texture doesn't really change much. The actual 5 minutes stir fry it just like to make sure the beef is fully cooked, because we don't really want to eat some raw meat. And then here is a dish that I prepared before. We have some shredded lettuce, cut tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just wrap it up. So the tortillas are from the lab 6, and we keep them in the freezer before I use. So just like quickly put them into the microwave for 30 minutes to let them to be like soft again. So now let's wrap it. I will put some like beef. So bear with me if I have a really bad wrapping skill. I hope the first one succeeds. So I have some shredded lettuce and some tomatoes. And also some like cheddar cheese on top. Okay, that looks looks good to me. So I will fold the bottom and we'll see if I can get it. I hope I did. Okay, this one almost open, but yeah, I think I got one. So since it's not going to the oven, so it doesn't really necessary if you just the top is open, but I think still okay. So I'll just put them on the plate.